VINCI Energies has been working side by side with Chartres for a long time. It asked us for a smart city demonstrator, and we offered to build a smart city solution covering the full value chain. The street light you see here is actually a remote controllable network. This network is always on, so it can provide services 24/7. What we did was use this smart lighting system to test a dozen applications that will take smart city development to the next level. Let me tell you more about a few of them. Our goal here was to lower energy consumption when there's nobody around. Here, the lights brighten up when they detect movement. It's simple and effective. But we didn't stop there. We're also using this lighting network to power the city's connected objects. This is a sound and light system for visually impaired or hearing impaired people, for instance. They can use their remote control to trigger an audible signal and cross the road safely. At night, a blue light comes on straight away to warn drivers they're crossing. There are also waste bins around our lights. We measure how full the bins are in real time and use those indicators to organize bin collection rounds. And the people living here know when they can drop off their litter. People are spending more and more time in the city centres nowadays. As an inhabitant, I have less trouble finding a parking space now. I can use the app or follow the signs around the city that tell me how many available parking spaces there are and where they are. Chartres also decided to enhance electric mobility. The cornerstone it needed to do that was a network of charging stations powered by the city's grid. These stations are scattered quite evenly across the city, and we collect the data from each one to improve the services for the people living here. The city wanted a Wi-Fi network too. It's so easy to connect these days that we forget how complex these systems really are. The important thing was to test the system's benefits for the people and understand how they used it in this city that attracts a large number of tourists. Today, people can also use a touch terminal, which moves around the center of Chartres to find all that information. The lighting network is what keeps all this powered up. We tapped into expertise throughout our VINCI Energies network to build the bricks for these solutions, and have used them in a dozen applications in Chartres so far.